This is the Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Vacuum in lavender. At only 14 pounds, this thing does the trick for your floors. It comes with a brush roll feature for getting that deep carpet cleaning. It even has a special swivel steering for great control to get around furniture. Now, my favorite thing about this product is that it has an anti-allergen complete seal, which traps dust and allergens inside of the vacuum. You can't beat the suction that this thing provides. With a 25-foot cord, this vacuum has many of the best features.